Welcome to this lecture on bonds. A bond is one of the most fundamental financial instruments in the capital markets. In this video, we'll understand what bonds are, who issues them, and how they work. At its core, a bond is simply a loan. When you buy a bond, you are lending money to the issuer. In return, the issuer promises to pay you back the principal amount at maturity, along with periodic interest payments called coupons. There are three main types of bond issuers. First, governments issue bonds to finance public spending and infrastructure. Second, corporations issue bonds to raise capital for business expansion. And third, municipalities and local authorities issue bonds for public projects. Every bond has four essential components. The face value, also called par value, is the amount repaid at maturity, typically 100 or 1,000. The coupon rate determines the annual interest payment. The maturity date is when the bond expires and the principal is returned, and the yield represents the investor's actual return. The annual coupon payment is calculated by multiplying the face value by the coupon rate. For example, a bond with a face value of 1,000 and a coupon rate of 5% pays 50 per year in interest. Let's look at a simple example. You buy a government bond with a face value of 1,000, a coupon rate of 5%, and a maturity of 3 years. Each year you receive 50 in interest. At the end of year 3, you receive the final coupon payment of 50 plus the face value of 1,000, for a total of 1,050. The price of a bond equals the present value of all future cash flows. Each coupon payment C is discounted by the required rate of return R, raised to the power of the period. The final payment includes both the last coupon and the face value. There is an inverse relationship between bond prices and yields. When market interest rates rise, existing bond prices fall. And when interest rates fall, bond prices rise. This is because investors compare the bond's fixed coupon to the new market rate. After a bond is issued, it can be traded on the stock exchange. The market price can be above par, called trading at a premium, or below par, called trading at a discount. The price depends on interest rate changes, credit risk, and time to maturity. There are several types of bonds. Government bonds are considered the safest. Corporate bonds offer higher yields but carry credit risk. CPI-linked bonds protect against inflation. And zero-coupon bonds pay no interest but are sold at a deep discount to face value. Bond investors face several risks. Interest rate risk means prices fall when rates rise. Credit risk is the possibility that the issuer defaults. Inflation risk erodes the purchasing power of future payments. And liquidity risk means the bond may be hard to sell quickly. To summarize, a bond is a loan instrument where the issuer pays periodic coupons and returns the face value at maturity. Bond prices are inversely related to yields, and they trade on secondary markets. Understanding bonds is essential for any investor. See you in the next video.